Dealers pull out. Silver stacking is a thing of the past. Silver stacking is no longer the game it used to be. We're witnessing a shift that will redefine how precious metals investing works forever. Check this out. This is from Kitco. They're showing major bullion dealers are scaling back, and some are even shutting their doors. We've got retail demand that's drying up. We have margins being squeezed to the bone. Payment processors are cracking down on high-ticket bullion transactions. It's starting to hurt everyone. Shipping costs are through the roof, and the customer base that drove that stacking craze during 2020 to 22, where are they? They're sitting on the sidelines. It's not just a slowdown, it's an exodus. Dealers who once thrived on volume now face inventory risks they can't justify. Insurance premiums that they can't swallow. They've got operational costs that make every ounce a gamble and a liability and really starting to feel like a headache. Look at this from Bloomberg. They're showing investors are not abandoning silver. They're abandoning the way they used to buy it. We saw the last 12 months, some of these silver ETFs like SLV, they're seeing renewed inflows. Miners are attracting fresh capital. This is where the money's going. Money goes where it's treated best. We've got platforms offering fractional digital ownership. This is all new. This is the new world of silver. People want exposure. They want liquidity. They don't want to pay sky-high premiums for coins that take weeks to arrive. This isn't about shiny bars anymore. It's not. It's about convenience. It's about scalability. It's about performance. And the investors who are moving fastest, they're cutting ties with traditional dealers. They're cutting costs and they're cutting delays. How is the local coin shop supposed to survive in this market? Look at what Reuters is showing. They're calling this a structural shift, and they're right. Premiums, delays, lack of trust in retail bullion dealers. It's creating a perfect storm that it's forcing stackers to evolve in this market where most of us are quite old-fashioned, wanting to hold this metal in our hands. Today's silver plays, it isn't a tube of coins under your bed. That's what none of us want to swallow. It's leveraged positions. It's mining equities. It's royalty companies that amplify every ounce, every move, every rally. This is no longer about a game of one side holding paper silver and the other side holding physical silver. It's not about hunting premiums, this old school, a hoarding way of looking at silver. It's for investors who want speed, they want leverage, they want explosive upside, and really the ones who adapt right now, those are the ones who will see profits. If you're still stacking like it's 2012, you're already behind. The market's changing fast, and if you want to stay ahead, this is how this is the view that we have to look through. This is the lens we have to use. Get your own gold. Click that link in the description. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel, and they're giving away a 10th ounce of gold, a 10th ounce. Check out that link I put below. Don't miss out.